Okay, hello students. Now let us see demonstration part. So actually I have executed multiple times. Okay, so I need not require to execute again. Let me directly go and execute. So here the very first uh, uh, string I have displayed over there, that instruction, enter the number of terminal. So if I enter the terminals 4, right? So suppose the very first terminal is ID, then let's say uh, plus, then star, then dollar, right? So I'm just taking the values. So I'm going to just prepare the precedence relation table. So what is the relation between ID and ID? So here I cannot compare the between these two because both are having higher precedence. Next, ID and just a minute. Let me recompile it again, and let me consider I instead of D plus then star and dollar. Okay. So for I don't have any. What is the relation between I and plus? I has a higher precedence. Then I and star, again I has a higher precedence and higher precedence. So now plus and I, yes, plus and I has higher precedence. Plus and plus, left side plus has higher precedence. Plus and star has a higher precedence. Again plus has a higher precedence. Again ID has a higher precedence. And again like this, you can just enter all the values. Okay, and here I can just write that string is going to accept. So here I have displayed the operator precedence table, and the next I am going to input the string ID plus ID star ID. Okay, and yes, the string is going to end with dollar, and the output is somewhat what we discussed in the example. So these moves you need to display. Here dollar and I is compared. The I has higher precedence than the dollar. So the push operation is carried out. I is pushed. Again the plus and I has higher precedence. So I is been popped and reduced. Again plus and dollar is compared. So this symbol is only to understand the make the differentiation between the symbols on the top of the stack, right? So plus and I is compared. I has higher precedence, so I is pushed. Again, I and dollar, I and star has higher precedence, so it is again popped. Likewise, you have to display the output. Okay, so thank you very much for today's practical session. This is all about practical number 4, implementation of operator precedence parser.